Welcome to our quick introduction to Antstream on Firestick. Today, we'll explore the benefits of playing classic games on your Fire TV. First, let's enable unknown sources. Open your settings, go to My Fire TV, and then Developer Options. Turn on Apps from Unknown Sources. Next, we need to install the Downloader app. Open the Firestick App Store, search for Downloader app, and install it. Now, let's download and install the Antstream APK. Open the Downloader app and enter the URL for your APK link. Once it's done downloading, go ahead and install Antstream. After installation, open Antstream and sign in or create an account. You can now browse and play classic games instantly. For some bonus tips, consider using a Bluetooth controller for better gameplay, and improve your streaming speed with a Firestick VPN. To wrap things up, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content.